Welcome to video tutorial of Possible Solutions. In this video we will talk about how to create an expense invoice for a customer or a vendor. We will create an expense account and charge, and then see how this charge is processed. First of all, let us create an expense account. From the accounting menu, click on Chart of Accounts. To create an account, click on Add button on the right-hand side panel. Fill in the form with the account details. For example, let us create a travel expense account. Account name. Enter a name for the account, as in the example. Account type. Select the type of entity written to this account. As we are creating an expense account, choose Expenses. Account code. A unique code for the account. This must be numbers, and no characters and alphabets are accepted. Parent account. Select a parent account, where the entries of this account are summarized. Enter a short description for the account. The Create Charge checkbox will create a charge type with the same name of the account. Click on Save. We can see that an expense account and charge has been created. Now let us convert this expense onto an invoice. From the accounting menu, select Charge Invoice. Specify the details like Organization. By default, the current logged-in organization will be selected. Specify the vendor by selecting the vendor from the drop-down. Date account. Enter the date when the expense is incurred. Specify a short description for the expense invoice. If the expense has already been paid, select the payment mode as cash. In this example, the expense is first converted to invoice, and then payment is settled. Select the payment mode as credit. Now add the charge details to the expense. Select the charge from the drop-down. Specify the charge amount and description. Click on Submit. We successfully generated a new invoice for that vendor with the charge added as a line item. From here, you can change any of the charge details like the name, description, and even the amount. Now comes the payment part. Go back to the accounting menu, select Payment Receipt Voucher. From here you can settle the payments to the vendors, and also the receivables from the customer. Select the document type from the drop-down. A P-payment document type will display the vendors and a receipt display the customer. Select AP payment type. Search for the vendor. The invoice number field will display all the invoices generated for the vendor. Select the invoice. On the right-hand side you can see the invoice details displayed with the payment amount and other details. Specify the amount in the payment field. Click on Complete. You get a confirmation box. Click on OK. In this video we created an expense account, created a charge, assigned it to vendor, generated an invoice, and settled the payment. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.